Turns out Subway had it right with their motto, eat fresh. And you can eat fresh at Subway if you skip the cold cuts, cheese, meatballs, eggs, mayonnaise, fat-filled dressings. My family and I used to think that we could save time picking up or going through the drive-thru. We even thought that going out to a restaurant would save time. No prep, no cooking, no cleanup. But when you add up the time it takes to go somewhere, order, wait, get the wrong order, go back, or have to scramble, it doesn't make as much sense. This doesn't even factor in what the fast food, including extra salt, oil, and sugar, is doing to your body and brain. In this video, let's talk about why eating fresh fruits and vegetables is the secret that will save you time and effort as you transition to a mostly whole foods, totally plant-based lifestyle, and 3 lessons learned to making it work. So what's the secret? Food is not just energy, protein, carbs, and fiber. So many complex processes and compounds have to work together for our bodies to flourish. Brenda Davis and Vesanto Melina write that the complex compounds in plants can turn off disease-promoting genes, reduce inflammation, boost immune function, balance hormones, enhance detoxification enzymes, maintain blood glucose levels, keep blood pressure and blood cholesterol levels in check, and support all the body's systems. And the big secret which we had lost is that fresh fruits and vegetables are nature's fast food, faster than any drive-thru. There's nothing to wait for or prepare except washing them or thawing them if they're frozen. We knew this, but we weren't putting it into practice until we changed our lifestyle. So how about 3 lessons learned? Number 1, buy pre-washed, bagged vegetables. We eat a Mondo salad for lunch every day, usually along with leftovers. Salads don't require any cooking, just some chopping. Washing and chopping everything can be time-consuming for a very large salad. To save time, we buy some vegetables that are pre-washed and ready to use. Some examples are kale, baby spinach, baby carrots, broccoli florets. We still have to cut up some things like the carrots, but the others are grab and throw. My sister-in-law will sometimes buy a bag salad with everything in it. Super fast and easy. Number 2, meal preparation. Meal prepping is another way we save time. It's just planning and preparing ingredients ahead of time, with the added benefit of reducing stress. You don't have to do super detailed planning, but it helps to have a general idea of your meals for the week. We keep it simple with a lunchtime Mondo salad every day. Usually I do the chopping of the romaine lettuce, carrots, cucumbers, broccoli, sweet peppers, mushrooms, and onions just before lunch. When I know that I'll be pressed for time, maybe we have an appointment right after lunch, I chop the ingredients the day before or even that morning and store it in some storage containers in the fridge. Takes less time and stress. Another way we meal prep is to make salad dressings ahead of time. To save time, make enough salad dressing for the week and store it in the fridge. Even faster is using balsamic vinegar as the salad dressing. My husband and I use just balsamic vinegar on our Mondo salad. We save time and get additional health benefits as the vinegar works with the greens in our salad to improve endothelial function. Number 3, make fruit your go-to snack. It's so easy to grab an apple, orange, or a bunch of grapes. But do you worry about the sugar? Fruit contains fiber and many valuable nutrients like vitamin C, but most of the calories do come from carbs, specifically sugar. It's actually a mixture of sugars, but the major sugar is fructose. This is not the artificial form of fructose found in soda, candy, and other ultra-processed foods. The natural form of fructose does not harm our bodies in the way industrial fructose does, and this study recommends not restricting fruit even in patients with type 2 diabetes. To save time, pack an apple or orange for a snack. For fruit that you eat often, like blueberries and strawberries for us, we buy frozen. The price is reasonable and the berries taste delicious, whether they're in season or not. Skip the fruit juice because it has been associated with a higher risk of type 2 diabetes, probably because the fiber has been removed. Do you have a meal prep tip? A tip I learned from my mom was to chop up ginger root and freeze it. When I need ginger for a dish, I just have to thaw out a small amount. Please leave your tip in the comments below. Don't forget that we're on Substack now. Come visit us at 7410 Expanded and subscribe to our free email newsletter for expanded content, including a Whole Foods plant-based recipe. Link is in the description below. Let's build a community that supports each other on this journey to timeless, beautiful health, great compassion, and freedom from cruelty. By liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel, you're helping to support the time and effort it takes to make and produce these videos. Thank you. Let's encourage each other, and remember to take it one day at a time until it's 7 days a week, forever 10.